Welcome to this course on Mastering LibreOffice, a comprehensive guide to Writer, Impress presentation, spreadsheet, and many more features. Get ready to unlock the full potential of LibreOffice, the powerful and free office suite that is a fantastic alternative to Microsoft Word. This course is designed for beginners who want to master LibreOffice and create stunning documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and more. Say goodbye to expensive software and say hello to LibreOffice robust features and user-friendly interface. In this course, we'll dive into the core components of LibreOffice. We'll start with an introduction to LibreOffice, where you'll learn what it is and its benefits, and then how to download and install it. You'll get acquainted with the interface and basic navigation, setting a strong foundation for your learning journey. We'll explore LibreOffice Writer at the beginning, teaching you how to create and edit documents with ease. You will master text editing, formatting, and organizing, and you will as well learn how to insert and customize images, tables, charts, shapes, you name it. You'll learn everything about basic writer usage. We'll also cover advanced features like writing equations, adding hyperlinks, and using headers and footers, ensuring that you have all the tools you need for professional document creation. We'll also delve into LibreOffice Impress, guiding you through creating engaging presentations and so much more. You learn how to add transitions, animations, and multimedia elements, as well as customizable slide properties and manage tables and charts within the Impress presentation of LibreOffice. In the Calc module, you will perform basic and advanced mathematical operations, create and customize charts, and at the end of it all, you will learn how to save and export spreadsheets in various formats. We'll also cover LibreOffice drawings, where you will learn to design simple flowcharts using LibreOffice drawing tools, and the math formula module, teaching you how to write and manage complex mathematical equations with ease. So by the end of this course, you will be proficient in using LibreOffice to handle all your document creation needs, whether for personal or for academic or professional use. No prior experience with the use of LibreOffice is required. However, basic computer skills and familiarity with Office software are beneficial but not necessary. This course is perfect for students, professionals, and educators looking for cost-effective alternative to commercial office suites like Microsoft Word. So join me on this journey to master LibreOffice and take your document creation skills to the next level.